Hello and welcome to Squeeze Page Success Part 3. This video is part of a training series about how to create successful squeeze pages. This is the third video in the training series. In this video, we will be setting up what is called a success page or a thank you page. There are 4 pages that we will be creating: the squeeze page, the success page, and the download page, and the bridge page. For our email marketing to work, in order for us to have success, we want to take our visitors on a short journey. For newbies, I believe that this process seems confusing or intimidating. It is not. We are simply creating a path for our visitors to follow. The path is often referred to as a funnel. The good news is that this funnel building is easy, as you are about to see. Allow me to point out that our number 1 goal is new subscribers. New subscribers trumps all else. Getting subscribers is your goal, not sales, not donations. It is all about getting subscribers. What that means is that when our visitor lands on our squeeze page, what we want, above all else, is their email address, and for them to join our list. In the first videos, we covered how to acquire a free incentive, which we can use to induce our visitors to join our list and to give us their email addresses. And we covered how to upload our incentive and an image of our incentive with a brief overview of our thank you page. You will find links below to this videos, if you have not seen them yet. When our visitor joins our list, when that happens, our new subscriber should be brought to what is called a thank you page, or to a bridge page, and then to a thank you page. In this video, we will be sending them directly to our thank you page. As mentioned earlier, a bridge page can help you in quite a number of ways, so I do not want you to take a bridge page lightly. We will talk more about a bridge page in later videos. This video, again, is about our thank you or success page, so let's get to it. Before we physically create a success page, it is important that we are aware of all its components and that we understand how they all work. What you are seeing is an example of what your thank you page might look like. Notice that it begins with a thank you and an image of what our new subscriber is about to receive. What is most important regarding our thank you page, or any page, is that you immediately connect with your new subscriber or visitor. An immediate connection helps you to keep them on your email path. If we fail to make that connection, the chances of our visitor leaving is almost 100%. In this case, the image is going to help make that immediate connection. Whatever your visitor is expecting to see when they land on one of your pages, be sure that is what they see. The words congratulations and success are optional, but they are recommended. What is essential is that you let your new subscriber know that their incentive is on its way. This is part of our making that connection. The next line is also optional. Thank you for can be followed by words such as your interest, or subscribing, or joining our team, and so on. You can also use words such as we are excited that you are interested in losing weight, in joining us, in receiving our newsletters, etc. Next is getting your email confirmation. Your new subscriber is actually not yet a subscriber. Allow me to share that Mr. P recommends a double opt-in, for your own protection as well as a way to help you to build a quality list versus a quantity list. This means that if you do not get an email confirmation, you do not get your new subscriber. So getting an email confirmation is extremely important. An image is strongly suggested in addition to your reminding your visitor to confirm their address. Images can be most helpful in getting attention, keeping attention, and telling your story. The image that you see was made for free at a website called Canva. Canva can help you to create just about any kind of professional images with ease. You will find a link below. Notice that your visitor is also being informed of the name of the sender of the email as well as the address of the sender. That is followed by a call to action, which is to open the email and confirm their address, and then their incentive will arrive almost immediately after. Next is a bonus or a surprise. Although this is optional, this trick will help your future open rates, and will make you money. You can add free bonuses initially. Later, you can sprinkle in bonuses that cost money. The bonus is from Surefire Wealth as mentioned in your first video. It is free, and follow the same process as you did with your incentive. Of course, add a bonus that is relative. Notice the bonus includes a benefit followed by a call to action. The next part is called white listing. What you are doing here is letting your new subscriber know what to do if your email does not show up in their inbox. You are letting them know to check their spam folder, as well as how to add your sender email address to their contacts list. If you are finding value in the video so far, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. If this kind of content interests you, allow me to invite you to join the channel, so Mr. P can let you know each time a new video is uploaded. Back to your video. Once you set up your thank you page, you can use it as a model for future thank you pages, which will save you time. There is one more ingredient that is going to help you in your email marketing success. It is called split testing. Split testing is a trick whereby you make a small change and test that change against the original and see which performs better. Do one tweak at a time and one test at a time. Also, allow me to share what your thank you page does not include. It does not include the incentive. Including your incentive is a mistake. If you include the incentive, there is no reason for your visitor to confirm their email. We both know that our visitor needs to open the confirmation email and needs to confirm their email. Not to get ahead of ourselves, once they confirm their email, they will receive an email with a link to a download page. We will cover your download page in a later video. Our next step is to physically create our thank you page. Before you set up your thank you page, you have a lot of excellent options such as using an HTML editor, a site builder, or WordPress. The thank you page that you have been seeing was created by WordPress using AIOP, but that is just one of your options. In the next video, we will be looking at 5 options that you might want to consider. 4 will be free. The 5th is your lowest cost option on the internet, and you will see how easy it is to create your thank you page. You will find a link below to the next video once it is published. Allow me to invite you to join this channel, which means that Mr. P will let you know when the next video and future videos are published. If you have not yet given this video a thumbs up, please do that now. Thank you, and thank you for watching. Consider watching this next.